Hey, hi, I'm Marco. I'm a PGI consultant, and in this video, I will share the destructive power limiting beliefs have on your goal setting and 4 exercises that counter that and raise your effectiveness as a high performance person. Every person holds certain beliefs and has certain wants or goals. Now, even groups of people hold beliefs on a group level, which can be totally different than the individual's beliefs of every single person. We know that we are usually taking action based on the beliefs we have or the disbeliefs we have, right? That we are holding. So this effect is basically governed by natural laws of the universe. And we will not grow beyond what we believe to be true and beyond what our belief system holds. If we attempt to override that, and if we attempt to go after something that we don't fully believe in, our mind quickly and automatically creates ideas, reasons, and justifications why it can't be done. So these ideas will pop up all the time until the project or the attempt itself has been aborted or given up. So, on the other hand, if we believe something can be done, then we will always find ways, we will get ideas, we will see opportunities, how to make it happen. And the same applies to teams and groups of people who are working on a project together. So there is a relation between our beliefs and our goals or wants. If our beliefs do not match our goals, even before we've achieved them, we will most likely not achieve our goals. Because there are two levels of beliefs basically. The first level is in our conscious mind, on our conscious level. We can consciously understand that and believe when we see somebody achieve certain results, go from earning 5,000 a month to earning 10,000 a month. And if we see that, we can believe it because it has happened in front of our eyes. And we might even witness it, like a fellow coworker, a friend, a acquaintance, or a business partner, or even another team in our company has achieved something extraordinary. But the true level of belief lies in our subconscious mind. This is the level where we know exactly that we can make it. Or, in other terms, that I can achieve the goal I've set. How often have you seen other people who have achieved something or who were perhaps in a similar circumstance as you were and they achieved something extraordinary? What about those people who got amazing results because they received an amazing idea and succeeded supposedly overnight? It really doesn't matter what a person's goal is. We can set any goal that we really want to achieve. But the clue is if the person believes in her or himself to be able to achieve it, then that person will achieve it. If that person doesn't believe it, or the group does not believe that they can achieve something extraordinary or the goal that they've set, they will usually not achieve it. It's not that they will fail, they will miss the target often. So in order to figure out which beliefs you have and which one are limiting you and your effectiveness in achieving your goals or wants, I'd like to share 4 exercises that will help you do that. Basically, to clarify what those beliefs are. So for the exercises to be really effective, do them daily and do them for a period of time. You can set your own period, like 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, whatever you feel comfortable with, and use pen and paper for doing so. You can use a notebook or whatever, and you start doing these exercises in that notebook. And this is really, really important to do this with pen and paper. These are the questions you are going to work with and you are going to dwell upon. First, do I have good sound reasons for my beliefs? Second, where did my beliefs come from? Third, would changing my beliefs improve my life? And fourth, how do I change my beliefs? So these questions are open-ended questions on purpose. The goal is to make you really think about your beliefs and allow yourself to go through these questions and answer them in different ways. And an additional tip and trick that works really good is when you answer these questions, let's say today, and you do this exercise tomorrow again, don't look what you've answered the day before. You can look at what you've answered the day before after you've answered the questions, let's say today, right? And then I can go back and look what I've wrote yesterday. But before you answer the questions at that particular day, answer them from a clean slate, like as if you're answering them from scratch. This will give you an even deeper feeling of accomplishment, and you will dig even deeper and in different areas into different direction, which is very, very important. So if you do these exercises regularly for a period of time, you will receive a lot of awareness and a lot of insight about how to do better than you've ever done before. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and hit that like button if you appreciate today's video. I really appreciate that. Have fun and enjoy it. This is Marco. Thank you.